Hey everybody, welcome to this tutorial video on spreadsheets. Spreadsheets are just a piece of software that allow you to organize information. You can organize, you can sort, you can do calculations and functions in here. It'll do the math for you. If you're not a fan of math, spreadsheets are a great tool for you because they are going to do the math for you. Okay, and we're going to be using this in our next project. We're going to be using spreadsheets, so we have to learn how to use some spreadsheet, or how to use a spreadsheet to collect, organize, and perform calculations on the information that we're going to be collecting for our countries. Okay, in the next project. So let's take a look at spreadsheets. So this video, we're just going to focus on a few things, like how to get around in a spreadsheet, how to kind of use the spreadsheet, and just a few of the basic tools. And then we'll have another one on how to do formulas and functions and things like that. Okay. All right. So let's check this out. So each of these, you can tell there's like boxes, right? There's little boxes or rectangles. Okay. I can click in each of these boxes. I can enter information in if I want to. I can put in numbers. Okay. If I want to, I can put in text if I want to. It takes all sorts of information. All right. The cell then is, if you think about it like a battleship, it's designated by a row and a column. Okay, if you played Battleship, you understand what I'm talking about. You have a column that goes up and down, and you have a row that goes side to side. Okay, our columns are designated with a letter, so in this case C. Okay, everything that I've just selected here is in column C. If I click over here and click on a number, it's going to select the row, so everything in row 3. And if I click on a cell, then I'm saying, okay, I just want what's in column C, row 3. So we call that C3. Okay, if you look up here, you can see that right there, C3. All right, that's the cell that I'm in. Okay. Columns are usually where you put your headers. So if you look up at the top here, we have some headers for our information. Okay, so in column A, it's fruit. Underneath that, we have different types of fruit. In column B, it's numbers. Now I'll click on the whole column. Numbers, and then I have numbers underneath there. Okay, in column C, I have price per unit, and then there's information about prices or dollar amounts in that column. Okay. If I click on the row, I can look at an individual item that I am entering in. So in this case, apples, row 3. Apples, I have 123 apples. So let me click back on the row. 123 apples, and they cost 86 cents per apple. So that's the unit price. Okay, that's how that's where my header comes in. It tells me what that information is. All right, so those are my columns and my rows and my cells. Okay, one more thing before we stop this video is you can do things like sort your information. So what if I want to sort my information like alphabetically, like I want to sort my fruits alphabetically, so if they're easier to find when I'm looking at my spreadsheet. Okay, well, I can do that. That's really pretty easy. I just have to select, and we are going to learn how to do this. You don't have to remember what I'm doing right now. We're going to learn this in a project coming up. Okay, but I'm going to go here, and I'm going to sort by fruit. Okay, A to Z, because I want to keep it alphabetical that way. And I just click on sort. There we go. Now my information, apples here is at the top, then bananas, then lemons, and all the way down to watermelon. Okay, and it keeps the information in the row. If you remembered, apples, I had 123. Well, that information still goes along with apples. So all that information sorted with apples. What if I wanted to sort by my highest number of fruit? Okay, which fruit I had the most of, right? I could do that too. Very simply. By the number. Okay, let's say I want to do the most I have down to the least. So I'm going to sort Z to A. There we go. Again, apples is still the top one, but now lemons is the second one, limes is the third one. Okay, bananas got moved down. So you can see it resorted it, and I can resort as many times as I need to just based on what I'm looking for. So sorting is a really handy tool to figure out, what's more, what's less, those sorts of things in the information that you have collected. Okay. All right, so that's about it for this one, this video. Come back to the next one. I'm going to show you how to do some formulas and functions.